In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for project management in 2026. By the end, you'll know how to spin up a project space using a ready-made template and how to fine-tune it so your team can start working immediately and consistently. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're in the correct workspace. Head into the space where you want your projects to live. A space is your team's high-level container, so choose the one that matches your department or initiative. If you don't see what you need, double-check that you have the right permissions to edit that space. Inside your chosen space, look for the space settings. This is typically the gear icon near the space name. Opening space settings is important because it lets you standardize how work is organized for everyone who uses that space, not just you. In space settings, find the option to browse templates. Templates are your shortcut to a professional setup. They come with structure, statuses, views, and sometimes example tasks, so you don't have to build from scratch. Use the search bar and type Project Management, then review the templates that appear. Click into a template to preview what's included. Lists, folders, statuses, custom fields, and default views like list, board, or Gantt. Look for a status flow that matches how your team actually works, something like to do, in progress, in review, and done. And note any custom fields such as priority, effort, or sprint. Picking a template that's close to your process means less rework later. When you've found the right one, click Use Template. You'll usually be prompted to choose a location within your space, give it a name, and decide what to import. If options appear, consider whether you want example tasks, due dates, and assignees copied over. Keeping example tasks can be helpful for training, while turning off dates prevents accidental overdue items. Confirm by clicking Use Template again to start the import. Depending on the size of the template, this may take a moment. Once it's done, you'll see the new structure added to your space with the views and lists ready to go. Now refine the hierarchy and add automations. Organize your work using folders for programs, lists for projects, and tasks for the actual deliverables. Rename anything to match your terminology, adjust statuses, and tailor custom fields. Set default views your team will rely on, like board for stand-ups or Gantt for timelines. Then add automations to reduce manual work. For example, change assignee when status updates, notify a channel on task creation, or auto-apply due dates on priority tasks. With your structure and automations in place, you're ready to onboard the team and run projects consistently and confidently.